What the hell are you doing?
Get on with your work. And no more of that language, young lady, or it will be half a day in isolation. Now, I want to see this done, or you will be staying after school.
I can't, I've got to get my sister.
That's not your responsibility. And it's not my problem. Work. Now. That bell is for me, not for you. Now, leave quietly.
Hey, you know that tramp over there, she stole your sandwich.
What are you, tramp?
Who you calling a tramp?
The girl that stole my sandwich.
Not just steal my leaves.
Help me, please! Someone gonna help! Help me, please! Someone gonna help me!
Today in school I was learning about this really gigantic animal, and I think it's called the whale shark. And like I said, it's the biggest sea animal in the world, and they eat fish and they only suck water. They don't have any teeth.
That's interesting.
It's so cool. I think I'm getting really hungry. Do you think we'll eat tonight?
Well, I'm gonna try.
Chaz, I'm staying at Gazza's for the weekend.
But it's only Wednesday.
Yeah, end of Wednesday. So it's like nearer to the weekend than not.
So when are you coming back?
When I want. I'm the parent here. My house, my rules. Right, love. Bye. Look after your sister.
Well, have you done a shop?
Just get something.
What money? Do you want to get takeout?
Yeah. Strawberry pie.
Right, show me your running skills. Okay, when I get the food we might have to run back so we don't get cold.
Okay.
Hi, Mum. Yeah, sure, okay. Yeah, alright, bye.
Excuse me. Thief! Thief! You can't steal other people's food they paid for. Call the police, anyone. You thief! You can't steal other people's food they paid for. Someone call the police now. Anyone? Where are your parents? Where?
I think she needs that more than you do.
Mom,
Yeah, sweetheart?
I did something bad. That girl from the cafe,
Yeah,
she goes to my school.
yeah,
She stole my sandwich,
okay.
so I punched her,
Mm.
and then we stood on it. But I didn't know she was getting it for her sister. I thought she was just being a tramp.
In Luke, it tells us not to condemn or judge,
Yeah.
and we should forgive, and we'll be forgiven, okay? Those poor children are born into families that there's no love. And, you know, the person that's really supposed to provide for them, for various reasons, they can't. Whether it's financially and mentally, we don't know what's going on, what's happening. And this girl, she'll do anything to protect her younger sister, get her something to eat. Even if it's even a punch in the face, she'll take it. What we can do is support in any way and not to judge or condemn, okay? So what we'll do, try and get some food together. I will keep them for a bit. And you can take it into school for her. Try not to let everyone see. You know, try to be a bit discreet giving her, because you don't want anyone else to judge her, okay?
I think they're going to need some spiritual food as well as physical food.
Absolutely.
Pop that in there for them.
What do you want? Just want to say I'm really sorry and give you this. If I was lucky enough to be a big sister, I'd want to be just like you.